Hello everyone, welcome back to Swarajy Chemistry channel. In the previous video, we have clearly understood the place and importance of mathematics in the school curriculum. We saw why mathematics is given a central position at all levels of education. Now the next important question is, how do we understand mathematics? How do we express mathematical ideas? To answer this, let us move to our next important topic, language of mathematics. Mathematics is not only about numbers and calculation. It has its own language, just like English or Kannada. So let us now understand what is meant by the language of mathematics. The language of mathematics refers to the symbols, signs, terms, numbers, diagrams and expressions that are used to represent mathematical ideas. This special language helps us to express mathematical thinking clearly, communicate ideas precisely, solve problems systematically. That's why we say mathematics has its own language which is different from everyday language. The next concept is component of language of mathematics. Now let us understand the main components of the language of mathematics. The first component is symbols. Symbols are the signs used to represent operations and relations. For example, plus is used for addition, minus is used for subtraction, multiply is used for multiplication, divide is used for division, equal is used to express the equal to, and less than or greater than symbol is used for comparison. So these symbols make mathematics short, clear and precise. The next component is mathematical terms and vocabulary. Mathematics uses specific words with fixed meaning. Examples include sum, difference, product, quotient, fraction, angle, perimeter, area, even, odd, prime. So many of these words have different meanings in daily life. So student must learn their mathematical meaning carefully. The next component is numbers and numerals. Numbers represent quantity while numerals are symbols used to write numbers. For example, number 5. 5 is a number because it represents a quantity or idea in our mind. Numerals 5. 5 is a numeral because it is the written symbol used to show the number 5. So this distinction is also part of mathematical language. Our next component is mathematical statement and expressions. Mathematical ideas are expressed through expressions like 3 plus 4 or statement like 3 plus 4 equal to 5. Word problems returns in symbolic form. This helps in the logical representation of ideas. So next component is diagrams, graphs and tables. Visual representation are also an important part of mathematical language. Example, geometrical figures, bar graphs and pie charts, tables. These visuals helps students understand concept more easily. Our next concept is importance of language of mathematics. The language of mathematics is very important because it helps in clear communication, develops logical thinking, reduces confusion, improves problem solving ability, helps in understanding higher mathematics. Without understanding mathematical language, learning mathematics becomes very difficult. Our next concept is differences between everyday language and mathematical language. Everyday language may be informal or vague. Mathematical language is formal or precise. It is context based. The mathematical language is rule based. The meaning of everyday language is flexible. The meaning of mathematical language is fixed. For example, the word table, according to everyday language, it is a furniture, but according to the mathematical language, it is a data arrangement. Our next concept is difficulties faced by children in language of mathematics. Many students face difficulties in mathematics mainly because of language issues such as misunderstanding symbols, confusion in word problems, difficulty in converting words into symbols, fear of mathematical terms, language barriers due to medium of instructions. Remember, many mathematical mistakes are language errors, not concept errors. Our next concept is language of mathematics and word problems. To solve word problems, students need good reading skills, understanding of mathematical vocabulary, ability to translate language into symbols. So for example, if Ravi has 5 apples and he buys 3 more apples, we add them together. So 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So this is how addition is connected to real life. Weak language skills leads to poor performance in word problems. Our next concept is role of teacher in teaching language of mathematics. So a mathematics teacher plays a very important role. The teacher should use simple and clear language, explain symbols and terms step by step, encourage students to speak mathematics, use real life examples, avoid unnecessary jargon, connect words with symbols. Here, the teacher acts as a bridge between language and mathematics. So our next concept is strategies to improve language of mathematics. Some effective teaching strategies include using concrete object and visuals, introducing symbols gradually, using bilingual support when required, regular practice of word problems. Please remember, language development is a continuous process. The next concept is language of mathematics and constructivism. According to the constructivist approach, children actively construct knowledge. Language helps them express ideas. Interactions and discussions are essential. So, mathematical language develops through active participation. Our next concept is language of mathematics in primary and upper primary levels. So, at the primary level, simple words and symbols are used. Objects, pictures, and oral explanations are emphasized. Children first understand basic comparison words like more, less, and equal. At the upper primary level, formal symbols are introduced, algebraic expressions are used, correct terminologies are emphasized. For example, where variables represent unknown values, equations show relationship between numbers, and angles are used to describe geometric ideas. In the exam point of view, these are important points. Mathematics as a special language, symbols and terms have fixed meaning. Language difficulty causes learning problems. Teachers should simplify mathematical language. Word problems test language understanding. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned now. Mathematics have a unique language. Symbols make ideas precise. Language errors cause learning difficulties. Teacher must simplify mathematical language. Understanding language improves problem solving. I hope you have understood this topic. In the next video, we will learn about the community mathematics. Like, share, subscribe to Swarajy Chemistry. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best.